Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Midea MLTW09M1BWW Portable Washer. A compact powerhouse designed for small living spaces like apartments, RVs, and dorms. This 0.9 cubic foot washer offers 12 preset wash cycles tailored for different fabric types and soil levels, along with 3 adjustable water levels to perfectly match your load size. Its space-saving design includes built-in handles and roller wheels, making it effortlessly portable. The stainless steel tub is not only rust-resistant but also designed to prevent fabric snags, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and undamaged. With an energy-efficient operation certified by the DOE, this washer is both eco-friendly and economical, boasting an estimated yearly energy cost of just $7 when paired with a natural gas water heater. Safety is also a priority, featuring a child safety lock that prevents accidental use and a soft close glass lid that ensures quiet and safe operation. Plus, the drum clean function helps maintain a clean and odor-free washer by removing residue buildup, making it a reliable choice for your laundry needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.